As technology continues to push the boundaries, it's crucial to have the right tools at your disposal. So we've scoured the market and narrowed it down to the best of the best. Starting off number 5. Corsair M600 Pro LPX. Imagine a world where game loading screens are a thing of the past. The Corsair M600 Pro LPX makes that dream a reality with its mind-blowing read and write speeds. We're talking up to 7,100 MPeg of sheer speed, ensuring your games load in a flash, and you're right in the action. One of the standout features of this SD is its seamless compatibility with the PS5's PCI 4.0 interface. This means it's optimized to make the most of the console's capabilities, delivering peak performance that'll leave you impressed. Gaming libraries can get pretty massive, right? Well, the Corsair M600 Pro LPX comes in various capacities: 1TB, 2TB, and a whopping 4TB. Choose the one that suits your gaming appetite and never worry about running out of storage again. Gaming marathons are no joke, and your hardware needs to keep up. Corsair has thought about this, equipping the M600 Pro LPX with an aluminum heatsink that efficiently dissipates heat, ensuring your SS performs consistently, even during those extended gaming sessions. Number 4. Crucial P5 Plus. Imagine a world where long-loading screens are a thing of the past. The Crucial 5 Plus turns this dream into a reality with its mind-blowing speed. It boasts sequential read speeds of up to 6,600 ms and sequential write speeds of up to 5,000 ms. That means games load in the blink of an eye, and you'll be right in the action before you know it. Now, why is the Crucial 5 Plus perfect for your PS5? Well, it's designed with next-gen consoles in mind. It fully supports NV Gen 4, making sure your PS5's performance isn't held back. And with capacities ranging from 500GB to 80p, you have plenty of storage options to choose from. But speed and compatibility aren't the only reasons to love this SD. Crucial is known for its reliability, and the 5 Plus is no exception. It comes with a reassuring 5-year warranty, so you can game with peace of mind. Installing it in your PS5 is a breeze, even if you're not a tech whiz. The M.2 function and support for standard M.2 drives make the process straightforward. Number 3. EE Black. First off, speed demons, listen up. The EE Black's 950X is like a Ferrari for your PS5. It boasts incredible read and write speeds, reaching up to a staggering 7,000 ms. Say goodbye to those frustrating load times. This SD is all about speed. Now, what sets the EE Black's 950X apart? It's all about compatibility. This SD is tailor-made for the PS5, fully embracing the console's PCI 4.0 interface for lightning-fast data transfers. Plus, it's available in various capacities, catering to gamers with different storage needs. Reliability is crucial, and Western Digital knows it. Their EE Black's 950X is built to last with high-quality components. You can trust it with your precious game data. Plus, it comes with a generous 5-year warranty for that extra peace of mind. It's worried about overheating during those marathon gaming sessions. The EE Black's 950X has you covered with its advanced cooling system. This design ensures your SS stays cool under pressure, maintaining peak performance without throttling. Number 2. Samsung 980 Pro. Picture this: game loading time slashed, data transfer at warp speed. The Samsung 980 Pro boasts incredible read speeds of up to 7,000 ms and write speeds of up to 5,100 ms. It's a turbo boost for your PS5, ensuring you're always ahead of the game. What makes this SD shine even brighter is its perfect synergy with the PS5. It's not just fast, it's designed to supercharge your PlayStation 5. Say goodbye to tedious loading screens and hello to seamless gaming. But what really sets this SD apart is the built-in heatsink. It's like a personal climate control system for your storage. Intensive gaming sessions won't cause overheating concerns, ensuring peak performance and longevity. Samsung's reputation for quality extends to the 980 Pro. It's built to last with high endurance, guaranteeing that it will stand the test of time, even with marathon gaming sessions. Number 1. Seagate FireCuda 530. With lightning-fast read and write speeds, your games load in the blink of an eye. Say goodbye to agonizing load screens and hello to seamless gameplay. What's really cool is that this SD is tailor-made for the PS5. It's officially approved, so you can trust that it's designed to work flawlessly with your console. No compatibility issues here. Now, when it comes to storage, options are essential. The FireCuda 530 offers a range of capacities from 500 treble to 4 TB. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, there's a size that suits your needs and budget. Durability is key, and Seagate is known for it. The FireCuda 530 is no exception. It's built to withstand the demands of gaming and ensures your precious data stays safe. The benefits of using this SSD go beyond just faster load times. Your gaming experience gets a significant boost. Imagine seamlessly transitioning between game levels or scenes without a hitch. It's a game changer. Find SSDs that suit you the most and enjoy. All links will be down below, and check out our other videos that pop up on screen. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.